So I opened up my e-portfolio with a picture and to introduce myself to my audience. This photo was taken in Santiago, Chile. Afterwards, I explained that I'm a student and I'm studying international development. And I talk a little bit about my process of coming here to Berkeley by changing universities and my 6-month time in South America, traveling and speaking Spanish, and how that reinforced my desire to study international development, specifically in Latin America, and work abroad and use my Spanish. I have a little paragraph here about explaining why this e-portfolio exists in relation to this class, and things that it includes, like letters to NGOs and to apply to work abroad. I go into more detail about this class in its own little section. I explain about the non-traditional approach of this course, about being student-centered, and I demonstrate this by linking to our Constitution. I also talk about our local volunteering. In my case, that was at East Bay Sanctuary. And let's see, I linked to my blog that goes into more detail about my reflections, what I learned, the skills, etc. I go on to talk about our process of finding international NGOs, and I included the letter that Lily and I wrote to La Vicaría de la Solidaridad, asking for more information, if they would possibly like to do a Skype interview, so we could learn more about the opportunities that they have there. I also included other examples of NGOs that other classmates found, like Envia and Taller Salud. And then finally, I close with the letter of applying to an NGO. In my case, that was Envia, showing how this class has provided us with a platform to go forth after graduation and pursue interests abroad. I also have all my blogs in one place, and in the corner I talk about how these blogs serve to explore the three main themes of our course, which was the learning process, volunteering locally and internationally, and how to do these effectively and intelligently. I also included a page that is not necessarily relevant to this class, but is relevant to volunteering and my goals. It's other experiences I have as a volunteer. This semester I was also an assistant teacher with Cal Teach at a local elementary school in Berkeley. Previously I've worked with a youth organization called Men Can Stop Rape, and I also was a ESL tutor for the Episcopal Refugee Network in San Diego. I also included my LinkedIn profile and a resume, which is, again, not related to this course, but I thought was relevant to the use of this e-portfolio. And then finally, there is a contact page, and this is the view when you're walking up to Machu Picchu. Thank you.